Okay, so what we are trying to provide here is a tutorial on how to create a template that can be applied across your school, so that the Today page, which is what it is that we're looking at here, has the same look and feel for absolutely everybody within your school. First thing that we need to do is to be logged in as an administrator, and so we go into the node that contains your school, like so. And what we have to do is we have to go into the settings and down into other settings, and some people have added this O4 disable customize button on the Today page, and if that is the case, then we have to go and edit that and turn that off. So when that's done, if we come back into the Today page and then we refresh it, you'll see that there's the ability there to customize that page. So I would recommend that we turn that setting back on at the end of this template. Okay, the next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we have created a template account. Sorry about that. The template account, we're going to this school here. We're going to go into the front of resources like so. And I already have a template account. If you need to, you can create a new template account in here, and I'll show you how to do that one in just a second. So that's the template account in there, and I can click on the template like so. And now if I come down into the personal settings, click on that. There we go. Then I have this ability to customize the template users Today page. And so in here I can choose from these different modes, and in each areas we can have different tools. So at the moment the Newtown one has got a notification section here, a news feed here, and the entrance hall in here. And so that's reflected by this design here, and so you can choose from the one that you think is appropriate for your setting. And in here we can also change the default style that people choose to use their front end. They can change that part, but you can set the default one if that is what you would like to do, so that your school has got the same look and feel. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the contacts, and in here we're going to drop down and click on more. And now we're going to scroll down to the policy groups, and we want all students within your school, and then press search there. And this comes up with the number of the students in the school. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the bottom, and we're going to edit the contacts. Click on that. That comes into this page in here, and we get to choose the template that we want, and from here we would choose the template that we have made, the Newtown High School template. And what we want to do is we want this for all the contacts, and we also want to make sure that we replace the configuration of contacts on the Today page of the templates there. It's probably worth not overwriting, like so. We press that, and that will go away and have a bit of a think for a moment, and it will update all of the contacts in that group of students. There we go, there, that's done. Now the last step is now to go back into the admin, to come back into the school in here, go into settings, down to the other settings again, edit this and turn that back on, save that. Maybe worth applying this to the staff group as well, so that when everybody goes into the Today page, they have the same look and feel, and you'll see that the edit Today page there has been taken away. Okay, so the last part is showing you how to create the template. We go in and click on new contact, like so, and this time we want to create a user template. and I'm going to call this second test template. It's a good idea to make sure that you've got your school's name in there. If you would like to have everybody listed within as your school, then you can include that in the location in here, but as you're starting out, it might be best just to leave this stuff here blank. Then we come down to the group, add to group, click on view to all, and this is going to take a moment to load, and then we can scroll down, and the one that we're after is the Fronter O3 Fronter Resources, the user templates. Click on that, then race down to the bottom and save that. Now you have a template in which you can use to make sure everybody's Today page is the same. Thank you.